I'm Isaac from Oztent, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Oztent RS Plus swag. Now these instructions apply to both the RS1 Plus and RS2 Plus. First step, you want to take your Oztent RS Plus out of the bag and place your bag, mattress, pegs, poles somewhere clear of your tent space. Then you want to swing out both arms, each at a time. Then you can swing up your tent and reach inside the tent and push up the inner arms, first on one side and then on the other. You can adjust your tent so that it's sitting right. Then you want to go around and peg in all of your peg points. You should also set up the attached guy ropes and peg them in. Make sure they're nice and tight. Each RS Plus comes with an included fly, and I recommend setting this up before you set your awning up. It'll just make it a little bit easier. Pop it over the front of your swag, zip it in, and then set up all your pegs and poles. Once that's done, you can move on to your awning. First, unroll it, grab your pegs and poles and guy ropes, and set it up like shown. And lastly, don't forget to insert your mattress into the swag. And that's it, you're done.